Welcome to the MOD-ify battery swap guide. Today, we'll be showing you how to swap out the battery on your MOD-ify e-bike, so let's dive right in. First, using your original mod key, open the MOD-ify tank. Next, locate the Velcro straps inside the tank and undo them both. With the straps out of the way, slide the old battery towards the front wheel. This gives you the working space you need. Now, locate the battery cables in the rear of the tank. Unplug the wires, but remember how they were connected for reassembly. Remove the old battery and set it aside. Place the new battery close to the front wheel, creating room at the back. Ensure the charging ports are facing the rear of the tank and are oriented downwards. Time to connect. Attach the yellow battery connector to its counterpart, then do the same for the black charging cable. In the case your Velcro straps fell out when removing your old battery, you may need to reinstall them by simply threading them through the mounting bar at the bottom of the tank. Slide the new battery as far forward as possible. Next, ensuring the Velcro straps are under the mounting bar, install your new battery with the Velcro straps going on top. Insert the Velcro straps and tighten them until snug between the two mounting bars. Lastly, close up the tank and you're done. Remember to check with your local recycling center or battery recycling programs for proper disposal instructions. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please reach out to our support team. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.